Hey guys, how you doing? As I said in the previous video, today we're going to walk together in Vakil Mosque. In this video, we're going to see and enjoy the glory and peace of the mosque built in the heart of the bazaar. Let's go! This mosque is one of the most beautiful Karim Khan's creation in Shiraz. It is not only as a major religious building of Zand period, but also as the only important building of its kind to be constructed in late 18th century Iran. The mosque has taken its current shape after several restorations. The Vakil Mosque was built on the site of an earlier Safavid building. Damages inflicted by the earthquake of 1824 were repaired soon after that. Restoration of entrance tile work and that of Ivans were carried out by Hossein Ali Mirza, son of Fath Ali Shah. The mosque entered from north through a recessed entrance. A vestibule behind the entrance has two passages which lead into the courtyard, with rotation of 90 degrees. This rotation for realigning the mosque toward Qibla. The courtyard is rectangular with long pool in the center. In two sides, east and west, there are proportioned arcades and column galleries highlighted on the upper edges by brightly colored tile work. The north and south sides of the courtyard feature lofty events. Lower parts of arches and porches face marble slabs finely curved in relief with floral motifs. The events are rectangular structures with deep central recesses. The north Ivan is popularly called Tagh Marwarid or Pearl Arch. This appellation seems to be a tradition in Shiraz Mosque. The events are similar except for a pair of minarets crowning the north porch. South even leads to a covered prayer hall, supported by 48 stone columns with sprawled shaft columns reach 5 meters in height. Mihrab is centered in the back wall of the prayer hall, covered with remarkable tile work having pink as a dominant color. Mimbar on the left of Mihrab is climbed by 14 steps cut out of a single great block of marble. Another prayer hall of Vakil Mosque is located on the east side. It used during the winter time, supported by 12 columns. This prayer hall could be entered from bazaar. And the last side, northeast corner, housing the service sections. Our mosque tour is over. Thank you for not forgetting to like and always being with me. See you in the next video.